Yo, what's really good? This is June Jones, and I'm back with another video. So today was auction day. It was, but I did pop my head in there, and I checked on Odessa auction today, which was busting. So I know we went to Odessa one time, but we're gonna go back to Odessa another time. But I did go to Z66 auction and check out some cars today. You know, it was a bunch of trade-ins, but dealer trade-ins, but it was a few things. Prices have dropped. I have noticed prices drop, but I'm coming today. I might upload. Yeah, I gotta walk around at Mannheim. I haven't uploaded it yet, which I went yesterday. But I want to show y'all this pickup, my Ford Focus 2016 that I copped for $2,200. I won it for $2,200. I put that WAP on it. So if you see she overly shining, that's that WAP, that glow package. So you know, run, drive, no check engine lights, not leaking, nothing, clean, ready to go. I mean, 2016, 2200. I don't think you could really beat that game. I don't really think you could beat that. That thing busting too, man. So I did find me a deal in town. Get on Odessa, man, cause Odessa surprised me, man. Them Capital Ones, y'all remember we looked at them Capital One trade-ins? Those was I watched the 2019 Infinity all black Q50, the big boy. Only had about like I want to say 130 or something. It went for $5,000, man. I was gonna bid on it, but you know me, if I just didn't feel comfortable because I didn't drive it, I didn't go over there, I didn't look at it, I didn't touch it. Now, if I would have went over there, looked at it, touched it, then you know, I would have bid on it. So what I'm noticing is, out of all these auctions, is Mannheim, they sell all right cars down here, but they're always wrecked. It's almost like it's something always wrong with it, whether it's a door bent in, which that video, this last Mannheim video that I did, maybe y'all can, you'll see what I'm saying on there. But so really honestly, Mannheim is really just, it only just be having wrecked up dented stuff, you know what I mean? But when you go to, they do got trade-ins, but when you go to Z66 do have just better quality cars. I mean, yeah, they have in-ops and they have stuff that ain't really running, but Mannheim is just, and it be going for overpriced. Now, some of them work trucks that we looked at the last time we was out there, some of them trucks went cheap this week. I noticed that. Some of them trucks went real cheap, you know what I'm saying? So I'm really learning on like who to mess with for what auction do what, you know what I'm saying? What auction bring what. But Odessa just got them good trade-ins, man. They got high quality, them is repos. A lot of them is repos. I keep calling them trade-ins. They're repos from Capital One. So it's a lot of repos, man. A lot of people getting repos. So man. But other than that, man, I just really wanted to show y'all the $2,200 pickup. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. She run and drive good. No check engine lights. You know what I'm saying? I've been pushing her. I'm gonna keep pushing her. I'm flipping her though. So all in, auction fees and all, I'm in her for about $2,400, which really ain't bad. I mean, 2016, shift well, ain't nothing wrong with her. Air blow, snowballs, all of that. You know what I'm saying? So she gonna be gone with the black. Got the red, cherry red with the black package, black rims. You know what I'm saying? I hit her with a one step, so she glass house for sure. This is how I rock. I'm the drip guy, you know what I'm saying, if you didn't know, on the detailing tip. So this is what I'm trying to bring, you know what I'm saying? Now, I feel like I could run her back through the auction, like America's Auto Auction. I think she'll do well over there. If I run her, I got her from one and run her through the other. She might even do well at Mannheim, because Mannheim got a bunch of junky cars. But what I'm noticing also, if you get a high mileage car, and you clean it and make it feel good, seem good, get an oil change. So when it's at the auction, it gives the dealer a sense that yes, I watch high mileage cars go for high, because I ain't gonna lie, you can hop in and be like, yeah, this thing clean, they took care of this. If you can make the car feel like they took care of it, then it's a go. You might come out on top. I've been watching some crazy prices lately, so straight up, man. This is June Jones, and I'm gonna see y'all on the next one. Like I said, I got this Mannheim walkthrough. I might just go ahead and load that up just so y'all can see the crap that they were selling out there. And I watched that auction live, and I wasn't impressed. I really wasn't impressed. I just feel like I gotta get the feel of Mannheim down here. You know what I'm saying? So straight like that, man. I'll see y'all on the next one.